Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. I am Ms. Ghulam Fatma and today we will start our lesson number 11 and the topic is living and non-living things. Here is the recap of lesson number 10. What will happen to living things if there is no air? You can answer with the help of this picture. If there is no air, what will happen? Living things will die. Yes, living things will die. And we need air to survive. And from where we get air? We get air from the plants. The fresh air we get from the plants. So we need to grow more plants and we do not cut the plants so that we can survive. And if we'll cut the plant, there will be no air and we will die. Question number 2. What do you feel when a mosquito bites you? As you can see in this picture, he is feeling what? Itching. Very good. So, I feel itching when a mosquito bites me. What do you feel when a mosquito bites you? I feel itching. Today we will learn about non-living thing. What are non-living things? Non-living things are those which cannot breathe, cannot feel, cannot grow, cannot move from one place to another and cannot eat. As you can see some of the pictures. Teddy, can it feel? No. Can it breathe? No. Can it grow? No. Can it move from one place to another? No. Can it eat? No. So it's non-living thing. And here is the ball. So can it breathe? No. Can it feel? No. Can it grow? No. Can it move from one place to another? No. Can it eat? No. So it's non-living thing. And same is with the doll. So it cannot breathe, cannot feel, grow and cannot move from one place to another. So it's non-living thing. So we can say the things which cannot breathe, cannot feel, cannot grow, cannot move from one place to another and cannot eat are the non-living things, and these all are non-living things. Non-living things are further divided into two groups as mentioned here. Non-living things are divided into two groups. Those are 1. Natural non-living things are natural non-living things. These are the non-living things that are found in nature. These are not made by men. As written here, these are found in nature. These are not made by men. These are the pictures of natural non-living things. Water, stone, mountain, moon and star. These all are natural non-living things. Number 2 is man-made things. As you can see in this picture, man-made things are not found in nature. These are made by men. Here are some man-made things just like table, chair, train and books. Non-living things that you find at school: table, chair and board. These are the non-living things that you find at school. And some of others are also there just like softboard, window, door. Non-living things you find at home: bed, sofa, TV. Except than this, you also find AC. Sum up of the lesson. What are non-living things? Non-living things are those which can not breathe, feel, grow, eat and cannot move from one place to another. There are two types of non-living things: natural non-living things and man-made non-living things. Natural non-living things, you can say the things which are created by Allah. Man-made non-living things created by man. Here are some questions you can answer with the help of these pictures. And the question number 1 is: dash is man-made non-living things. Which one is man-made non-living things? Here are different options: A. Moon, B. Star, C. Chair. Which one is the man-made non-living thing? Star? No. Moon? No. Chair? Yes, it is made by man. So chair is a man-made non-living thing. Here is another one. Dash are natural non-living things. Which are natural non-living things? Here are the options: A. Table, B. Chair, C. Mountains. So, what is the correct answer? Table? No. Chair? No. Mountain? Yes, mountains are natural, non-living thing. So, we will say mountains are natural, non-living things. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. For further, we will meet at Zoom class. Till that, take care. Allah Hafiz.